And here we have another variation on the no dig idea. As with the other one, we put down cardboard and wet it, and then we spread straw over the top. And you can see it's nice and deep and damp. What we've done is open up the straw, cut through the cardboard, and here we've got some marigolds planted. Got some parsley there, transplanted some oregano and some thyme. But it's basically the same process. You wet the cardboard, lay it out, put the straw over the top, and you cut the card, pull the straw apart, cut the cardboard, plant into it, and then restack the straw around the hole. So simple variation depending on what you've got on hand.